In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see scheduled emails in Zoho CRM. If you're sending mass emails to your leads or contacts, it's really important to know what's actually queued up to go out. Maybe you've scheduled a campaign for later in the day, or you want to double-check that everything is set up correctly before it sends. Zoho CRM makes it pretty straightforward to see those scheduled emails, but the option is a little tucked away, so let's walk through it together step by step. First, start by opening Zoho CRM and navigating to the specific module where you created your mass email. This will usually be something like the Leads module or the Contacts module. The key here is that you need to be in the same module where the recipients of that mass email live, because Zoho ties the scheduled emails to the module they were sent from. Once you're in the right module, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled Actions. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Zoho groups together several bulk and module level tools, including the mass email feature. After you click Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Mass Email. If you don't see it right away, make sure you have the right permissions and that you're actually in a module that supports mass emailing, like Leads or Contacts, rather than something like Tasks. When you click Mass Email, Zoho will open a new window or panel that shows options related to your bulk email campaigns. By default, you might see recent emails or templates, but what we're interested in is the Scheduled section. At the top of this area, look for the Scheduled tab and click on it. This Scheduled tab is where you'll see all of your pending bulk emails that have been set to go out at a future date or time. Here, you can review the subject lines, the scheduled send times, and which campaigns are still in the queue. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple campaigns or want to avoid sending overlapping emails to the same audience. From this view, you can double-check that your timing looks good, confirm that the right module was used, and make sure there are no unexpected or duplicate sends waiting to go out. And that's all there is to it. By navigating to the correct module, opening the Actions menu, choosing Mass Email, and then switching to the Scheduled tab, you can easily keep track of your scheduled mass emails in Zoho CRM.